国际消息，咱要先来关心的是，美国总统拜登宣布退选了后，伊的副总统贺锦丽是来公开讹了拜登过去3档的成就，也搁甲对手 Trump 讲做是诈骗犯等等。也那拜登是透过电话连线为贺锦丽来助选。另外一边，这个 Trump 的副手 Vance 也开始有动作啊，伊攻击贺锦丽，讲伊比拜登还搁较烂。
伫华府白宫接待全美大学冠军运动员，美国副总统贺锦丽伫总统拜登宣布退选了后，日头一摆公开露面，伊讹了拜登过去3年的成就，伫现代历史上无人会当比。随后去德拉瓦州展开竞选行程，伫头一场的演说中，贺锦丽讲到伊担任加州检察长的过去，看过真侪种的罪犯，伊也了解川普是倒一种的人。
Predators who abused women. Fraudsters who ripped off consumers, cheaters who broke the rules for their own gain. So hear me when I say, I know Donald Trump's type.
将川普比如说抢夺者甲诈骗犯，贺锦丽也答应会争取对贷款作为甲川普竞选的核心政见，因为确诊新冠。 当地德拉瓦州隔离的拜登也特别打电话给竞选总部替团队加油，也替贺锦丽助选。
And I know I'll be doing whatever Kamala wants me or needs me to do in addition. So let me be real clear: we're still fighting in this fight together. I'm not going anywhere. And I want you to know you've always had my back, and I promise you, I will always have your back.
伫拜登退选了后，贺锦丽赢伫加州民主党内提名人所需要超过2/3代表的支持，搁伫伊作为总统候选人的一天内获得创纪录的8100万美金。另外，川普副手范斯22登到家乡俄亥俄州做事，火力全开一定的拜登甲贺锦丽。
Now, history will remember Joe Biden as not just a quitter, which he is, but one of the worst presidents in the United States of America. But my friends, Kamala Harris is a million times worse, and everybody knows it. She signed up for every single one of Joe Biden's failures, and she lied about his mental capacity to serve as president.
范斯督促选民千万唔通互贺锦丽做总统的机会。 伊批评贺锦丽处理美墨边境的方式，也讲伊要互非法移民完全除罪化，搁较积极。贺锦丽并不是真正的爱国者。公司新闻，戴慧欣编译。